Hi, I'm Rachel.
Hi, I'm Christine.
And today we're going to learn how to checkmate. So, how do you define checkmate? What do you think it is?
I think it's I don't know.
You need some help? Okay. So, checkmate is when you attack the king and the king doesn't have anywhere to escape. So, unlike check,
Surrounding?
Yeah, so for unlike check, when you check a king, it could move, right? It could escape from the attack. But when you do checkmate, the king can't go anywhere. So it's dead.
Okay.
Okay. So today, like all the other episodes, we're going to learn how to do checkmate with all of our pieces. So we're going to start with the rook. But before that, do you remember why there's an X here? We learned it in the beginning.
You're not allowed to be, it cannot be together. They're,
Yeah, the kings cannot be together, right?
there must be one block at least.
Yes. Okay. So you're gonna follow for the first 10 questions, you're gonna follow what the screen does for you.
I think I already know what to do.
Right? And then the second one you'll do it yourself, okay? So
I was thinking like this. The rook was here, right?
yeah?
Move it to here, and then
And then there's the white
attack.
king, right? So for this one. You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Nice. You see how the O's turn into X? You wanna try this one?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
To this one?
Yep. Then it turns red, right? That means it's dead.
Yeah, that means you win.
Yeah, that means you win. Next one?
I'll do it.
Yes. So now why can't you go here?
Because I don't know.
Because if you go to F8, the black rook would catch the white rook, right?
The black
Rook can
rook.
catch the white rook.
Oh.
Yeah. So this one? You want to move it?
Sure. This one?
Mm-hmm.
To.
Right here, right?
Then the king will.
But there's the rook here.
Oh.
Yeah. So here, right? Okay. You want to move it?
Of course.
And the king can't go here and here because why?
Because the king.
Because they're right next to each other, right? That's good. Okay.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Why is this circle and. Oops.
The circle represents the places the king can go, and then the X represents places king can't go. So for this one, so all the zeros, all the O's turn into X, right? If you move it from here. You want to move it?
Sure.
Nice. And that one should, of course, go here, right?
Yeah.
To turn the X. Okay. So now,
But it could have also gone like that.
this way.
Like if it was here. No, it could also get kind of here.
Mm-hmm.
And then the king will go here. And then we can just. Because
But-
there's no way.
If you go here, it's game over, right? Because the king can't go here. Because the rook goes all horizontally, right?
Oh.
Yeah. So if you move here, the king can't go here, and the king can't go here.
No, the king can go here. The king will go here.
The king can't go there because the rook, right, goes horizontally. So it can move anywhere here to catch the king. So it can't go here.
Okay.
Okay. So from this one, where do you think it should go? 1 or 2?
1.
1. Okay, you want to move it?
Sure.
So why is it 1? Do you think?
Because if it's 1,
Mm-hmm.
A2, and then the A7 king, you can attack.
Yeah, but if
And
it's
check.
B2, there's no attack, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, next one. Where should you go? 1 or 2?
1.
1. Because same reason, right?
Same reason.
Okay, that's good. So what about this time? Where should the rook go? 2 or 1?
The 2 would also work, actually.
But if you go to 2, look carefully. Do you think the white would
yeah.
survive? It would die,
Yeah,
right?
It would die. So you would go here to here.
Okay, good. Because if you go here, this rook would catch it, right? The black rook. So next one, where should you go?
To the 2, same reason.
Same reason. Good. Okay, 1 or 2 with the queen. This is the pop quiz, right?
The 2, because the king
Yes.
will attack the queen and the rook can attack the king.
Yeah, because the king can't catch it because the rook, right?
Yeah, so it's check.
But if it went to 1, what would have happened? If the queen went right here to f8.
The king would have had 8.
The queen, right? For free. Okay, next one. With the rook, where should it go?
The rook should go... No, it should go here to here. Because if you go here, there's...
King?
The king will like...
Go to b8, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
But...
Do you have a question?
But there's a X, which means you're not allowed to.
Well, before there was an O, right?
Oh.
But because you moved your rook to c8, it's an X now. So you made it X. So this one, do you think it should go 1 or 2?
I think you could go 2.
2? But then if you go 2, it's attacking the pawn, not the king, right?
Oh, sure. So I can go...
Oh,
Hey?
try again. Yes, and then it all turns to X, right?
Right.
Right. And then this one? It's a very similar question.
Same reason.
Same reason. Okay, this is the last one. 1 or 2?
But if you go 1, it can also attack the king. Oh, but the king will go to next to the pawn. So
Yeah.
you should move here to here.
Yeah, because if the rook would have went to d8, the king could have come down to h7, right?
Yeah, but like this cannot go here or here
Yes, because so why can't it go to g8 right here?
because the queen,
The king?
is near.
And there's no block in between, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Give me a high five. And so this was it for Checkmate. Before we go, what is Checkmate? Can you explain it to our viewers?
It like can I
Yeah.
this? If it's like this,
Mhm.
if you move like you're gonna kind of like surround the king, but like there's nothing the king can do about it.
Okay, that's good. So the king can't move anywhere, right? When
Yeah.
it's Checkmate. And so in that case, you win, right?
Win.
Yeah, okay. So next time, we're going to learn something more new and exciting. So until then, we'll see you next time. Bye!